In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how you can block calls on Instagram. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Instagram app on your device and sign in to your Instagram account. Now, once you're signed in to your account, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you're on your profile, go ahead and click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and that will take you to the settings and activity section of Instagram. In this area, go ahead and look for the notifications button. You'll be able to find it under the how you use Instagram section. On your notification settings, go ahead and head over to the calls notification settings. So go ahead and click on calls in between the messages and live and reels button. Now under the call settings, set video chats to off. If you have set this to from everyone or from profiles I follow, setting this video chats to off will allow you to block calls on Instagram. Setting this to off will ensure that you won't receive any video chats requests from those who aren't your followers and for those who follow you and you follow back on Instagram.